Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0326, indicates a knock sensor malfunction for the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. The engine in question is the K24W1, which utilizes a non-resonant knock sensor that plays a crucial role in engine performance. This sensor is located on the cylinder block. Its primary function is to detect engine knocking, which is caused by abnormal combustion patterns. When the engine experiences knocking, the sensor generates a signal that is transmitted to the powertrain control module, PCM. The PCM uses this signal to adjust the ignition timing accordingly. If the signal level falls below a certain threshold for a specific duration, the PCM records this as a malfunction, resulting in the storage of DTC P0326. The P0326 DTC refers specifically to a malfunction of the knock sensor, which is essential for detecting abnormal combustion events in the engine. This sensor is a non-resonant type, meaning it detects vibrations caused by knocking rather than relying on resonance frequency. It is situated on the cylinder block, making it highly sensitive to vibrations produced by the engine. When engine knocking occurs, the torus-shaped weight inside the sensor compresses a ceramic element, converting that vibration into electrical signals. These signals inform the PCM about the engine condition. The PCM relies on this data to modify ignition timing, ensuring optimal engine performance and efficiency. The P0326 trouble code can be triggered by several potential issues. One possibility is that the knock sensor has been misinstalled, which might prevent it from accurately detecting vibrations or properly transmitting signals. The physical alignment of the sensor is crucial for its functionality. Another possible cause is malfunction within the knock sensor itself. It may be defective and provide incorrect readings to the PCM. Both scenarios could lead to the PCM misinterpreting engine conditions, ultimately resulting in poor engine performance. As such, it's important to thoroughly inspect the knock sensor's installation and functioning during troubleshooting. When the P0326 DTC is present, several symptoms may manifest, impacting the driver's experience and vehicle performance. One prominent symptom is the presence of abnormal engine knocking sounds, which indicate that the ignition timing may be incorrect. This can lead to reduced engine performance due to inefficient combustion. Additionally, the check engine light will illuminate, signaling the driver to investigate further. In some cases, drivers might notice sluggish acceleration or power loss, which can be linked to the PCM adjusting the ignition timing in response to erroneous signals from the knock sensor. It's essential to address these symptoms promptly to avoid further complications. The first troubleshooting step involves starting the engine and maintaining the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load. This means putting the continuously variable transmission, CVT, in the park position or neutral for manual transmissions. Holding the engine at this speed is crucial, as it allows the knock sensor to properly function and transmit the necessary signals. You should continue this for a duration until the radiator fan activates, after which you should let the engine idle. This initial condition simulates real-world driving scenarios where the engine could encounter conditions that may produce knocking. It's essential that this step is conducted in a safe environment, compliant with traffic regulations. Following the first step, the next phase of troubleshooting involves driving the vehicle at an engine speed of at least 1,500 RPM for no less than 5 seconds. This step is critical for determining whether the knock sensor outputs normal signal levels during varied driving conditions. the vehicle should be driven in a manner complying with traffic regulations and environmental safety. As the vehicle operates at this specified engine speed, the knock sensor should be actively monitoring for engine knocking. The higher engine speed serves to validate the functionality of the sensor, as you are placing it in conditions typically encountered during normal operation. The duration of 5 seconds ensures that the system can adequately register and process the signals from the sensor. After all necessary repairs have been conducted, it's vital to carry out a final verification of the repairs made to address the P0326 DTC. Begin this step by clearing any diagnostic trouble codes from the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system using a scan tool. Once the DTCs are cleared, a test drive should be done to ensure that the repairs have resolved the initial issue. Observe the vehicle's behavior closely during the test drive. The check engine light should remain off, confirming that the system is operating correctly. Following this process is crucial to ensure that no pending or confirmed DTCs reappear. Successful verification ensures that the necessary repairs have been effective, while preventing future complications. To maintain optimal vehicle performance and prevent the recurrence of the P0326 DTC, regular preventive maintenance is recommended. One essential aspect of this maintenance involves routinely checking the condition of the knock sensor and its wiring connections. Proper installation and functioning of the sensor prevent misreadings and early failures. It is also advisable to monitor engine performance regularly, including listening for unusual knocking sounds and keeping an eye on ignition performance. Regular maintenance not only helps in early detection of potential issues, but also extends the overall lifespan of engine components. Consistent inspection fosters better vehicle reliability and performance, which benefits the driver's experience. In summary, the P0326 DTC signifies a knock sensor malfunction in the Honda Accord from 2012 to 2017, vital for maintaining engine performance and fuel efficiency. Proper diagnosis involves inspecting the knock sensor installation and functionality, while symptoms like reduced performance and engine knocking may indicate issues. Conducting systematic troubleshooting steps, including monitoring engine speeds at specific RPMs, is crucial to pinpoint the problem accurately. Following repair work, it's essential to verify the effectiveness of the repairs and perform regular preventive maintenance to ensure such issues do not arise in the future. Addressing these concerns proactively benefits the longevity and performance of the vehicle while providing a better driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.